In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear x.com or Twitter cookies in Chrome quickly and safely. This is a simple fix if X is not loading in properly, if you're having login issues, or if the site is behaving strangely because of old stored data in your browser. Clearing cookies for just one site is a smart way to refresh X without wiping everything else from Chrome. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main settings and tools menu. From here, click settings. Once the settings page opens, look for privacy and security on the left-hand side, then click it. Inside that section, find site settings and open it. This area controls the permissions and stored data for websites in Chrome. Now scroll until you find x.com in the list of sites. If you see Twitter instead, that can also appear depending on how the site was saved in your browser. Click on x.com to open its site data and cookie settings. On this page, you'll see the stored information Chrome has saved for that website. To remove it, click the trash or delete icon next to x.com. Chrome will ask you to confirm that you want to remove the data. Go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once that's done, the cookies for x.com will be cleared from Chrome. That means the site will be forced to sign you in again. Refresh your session and start with clean browser data for that site. This can often fix loading problems, login loops, or outdated page behavior. After that, simply go back to x.com and sign in again if needed. And that's it. You've now cleared x.com or Twitter cookies in Chrome. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials just like this one.